Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut brittle without corn syrup. First, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed pot. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar to this mixture. Stir these ingredients gently over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. This initial step creates a stable sugar syrup base, crucial for achieving the perfect brittle consistency. Once the sugar is dissolved, increase the heat slightly and bring the syrup to a boil. Insert a candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring too much. You'll want to reach the hard crack stage, which is precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature is key to the brittle's signature snap. Be patient, as this stage can take a few minutes to achieve. When your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, quickly remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 1/2 cups of roasted peanuts and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add a small pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Work quickly here, as the mixture will begin to set. Ensure all ingredients are well combined before moving to the next step. Immediately pour the hot, brittle mixture onto a lightly greased baking sheet. Use a heat-resistant spatula to spread it as thinly and evenly as possible. The thinner the brittle, the more delicate and crisp it will be. Let it cool completely at room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Once firm, break it into delicious, irregular pieces and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.